Hello everybody! Recently I purchased such a belt sander. This specific model is the Canadian Tire brand. Other retailers sell similar models. It seems to me that all of them come from the same factory. They just paint it different colors and stick different logos depending on who orders a specific batch. Oh, this one is pricey. Okay, let's crack it open. And here we have a sticky disc with the owner's manual. In French. Useless. Snowy white styrofoam. Table. Oh, it's heavy. Let's get rid of this plastic bag. Brand new. Shield. Miter gauge. Bracket. A protective piece of plywood. Table. Some hardware. Bracket. Allen key. Shield. I use acetone to clean the surface. The disc goes on the plate. Two screws hold the shield. Opening for the table. We can adjust the table disc gap with those 3 bolts. We can tilt the table. You can also see here vacuum port to collect dust. The gauge. The small bracket goes here. We can rest the element that we work on this bracket. By loosening this bolt, we can raise the belt to the upright position. Well, it is not wireless. And it works. By turning this knob, we can adjust the roller tilt and keep the belt centered. With the belt upright, we can move this table to the belt. But it is fixed at the right angle. No tilting. This lever, aka lever, releases the belt tension and we can remove it from the machine. Unpacked, assembled, works. Sweet.